Now, let me show you how you can save a note to your files on your Mac computer. So what we are going to start with is, of course, the Notes app. So we're going to get inside like this, and this is my section for notes, right? So what I can do right now is find the note which I want to save to my files, right? And what I need to do is essentially locate the top left portion of the entire MacBook screen, right? Where we have the Apple logo at the top, the notes icon, or I don't know, text right there. And as long as you have the note selected and open, you can click on the file in the top left corner and you will have some additional options. But we want to find the export as. You can see with the share icon, it looks like this. You can export it as, and you have two options. It can either be PDF or Markdown, but PDF is much more versatile, so I'm going to go with that option. You're going to see this mode, the save as window, so we can name it however we want, right? So I don't know, I'm just going to name it the note export. Then we need to decide where we put it. So in my case, I'm just going to keep it on the desktop like this, and I'll click save. Now the note has been exported, and if I move it in here, I actually have the note export available right on the screen like this, and it is now a PDF file which I can put into any folder. I can put it on external storage or do whatever else I want to do with it. It is just a basic PDF containing all of the information from my note. So that's how you can do this. I think that's the best way to approach it. Let me know if it worked the same way for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.